what you can buy within $500 at Mustafa Center. Let's see in this video, and we will take you to the most of the counter that is necessary for the home item and daily things, and let's see what are the items we can buy and will it be enough for 1 month or not. Let's start our adventure with the Mustafa shopping center with a trolley, and there is a comfortably place where your kids can sit inside. So let's start our journey in the dry food sections. Here we can find a variety of health snacks like walnut, almonds and much more, each costing around $22. Oh, don't forget this delicious besan laddu just for $8.90, perfect for a sweet treat. Now let's head over to the frozen sections. Here we can get all the favorite Indian goodies like paneer, khoa, fried treats like samosas, french fries and many more other fried stuffs you can get from there. My kids absolutely love the cheese here, which costs around $13.50, and if you haven't tried it yet with the paratha with butter, please try it with, because for Haryana people and Punjab people this is very necessary to have it, and the cost around for the butter is $6.20, and you can get the Amul varieties as well. Next, let's up to the spices section where you can find all the masalas you need, from red chili powder to the garam masala, MDH, Kitchen King. They have got all everything there at one place. Even Indian spices also you can get. On our way we pass through many shelves and having the refined oil, olive oil, tin sauces, fennel seeds, so many things you can get. Now let's come to the sections of spices. Fennel seeds cost around $2.20. For the rest of the masala you can also get there. You can check the price there. Don't forget to stop the video and zoom it for a bit to closer to look in case if price is not visible. The hing asafoetida, which is $4.90, cumin seeds, jeera, which is $3, mustard oil is around $7.90, and the ghee is around $12.50, and methi, this is kasturi methi, which is around 80 cents. You can get everything at one place. It looks like seems to be right nice place, right? Even any kind of country variety you can get it here. That's why Mustafa is one of the place. In Singapore you can get it. Now let's swing by the personal care section. Body wash here cost around $5.50. Shampoo is around $3.90. Different variety of shampoos and body wash are available, so you can go and choose as per your convenience. Now time to pamper yourself. On the makeup section, I need to grab few nail polish for my nail art. They are ranging from $2 to $8 depending what type of brand you need. There are different kind of makeup with a different brand you can find it. Now let's part for the kids of most excited sections, the toy sections. Here we can find toys for all sizes and budget. The small from cost around $7.90 to the slime $2 to $5. Baby doll prices from $13 to $20. The section is fantastic, from fishing toys, car, bike to airplane, the Barbie doll. So many small toys. Also there is the baby doll, the parrot. The cost is around $13 to $20. Different type of small baby dolls are available. Even for the clothes toys also you can get. This is a fish toy, that is also you can get it very easily and cheaper at these prices. Different type of car, bikes, the big and small. You can even ask your kids, but that I would tell you it will be very difficult, because your kids will not be expecting you to have it one, they will be asking you to get it all. Because my kids were confused when they went there, they don't know what to buy, because literally they want to take everything, and they were holding many packets in their hand like I want this, I want this. So you can get all the sections like bubble gums and the mask, which is very scary. This is one I tried, and this baby Barbie doll set with the clothes and their babies. So many different options, and definitely your kids will be happy to have all these things, and you may go and try with your kids. If you don't want to go at different places, Mustafa is the center where you can get most of the varieties, most of the things at one place. That's why we monthly once try to visit there. Now it's time to come to the counter where you have to take out all your counter. The cashier will help you in scanning all your items, and once you keep place all your items at that place. The cashier will try to scan item one by one, and they will be placing it in one of the plastic Mustafa plastic, where they will be tying with the knot so that you can't open it, because it's about maybe security concern, or they doesn't want let people to take in. Or if the item is loose which is not inside the polythene bag, they will be placing one label of paid, and there is a small section of eating where you can get your pizzas, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, some kind of snacks you can purchase, and they will be giving one polythene with the paid tag. So you can see this cashier is scanning all the item one by one and keep it at one place. Once you are done with the items, you have to take all your item in the same trolley bag, and you have to wait inside the lift to get it down out of the Mustafa Center. Mustafa Center, there are a lot of taxi will be arriving, so you can choose any of the taxi, or you can book Grab or standard taxi. And there is a lot of food options in case if you are tired you can get, but with all this item you can't eat nicely, so you have to eat first, then do shopping, and we are eating. So guys, finally you can see we have completed our challenge, and we are able to buy 1 month stock for $416, which is in our budget, less than $500. These are the receipt you can see at the end. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.